What if everything you learned about farming was designed to keep you poor? A hidden truth exists. While the world fights over corn and wheat, crops paying pennies per pound, a secret economy thrives in the shadows. I am revealing plants commanding $100 to $5,000 per pound. Rare, powerful, and very valuable. Plants that pharmaceutical giants, Michelin chefs, and luxury brands desperately seek. They are searching for these secrets. Most farmers will never discover these. Today, I am exposing 15 underground crops. Knowledge is the key. Creating six-figure incomes from plots smaller than your bedroom. Stay locked in for the ultimate revelation. Crop number 3 was banned in 3 countries, and crop number 12 is literally worth more than gold. Ready to escape commodity farming? Smash that subscribe button and rebuild your financial DNA. Let us begin. The truth is hidden in plain sight. For centuries, ancient agricultural systems were buried under industrial greed. We have forgotten the crops that once sustained empires and created the original merchant wealth of old. Modern monoculture has robbed our soil of diversity, forcing us into a cycle of dependency and loss. Big agriculture wants you to believe that volume is the only path to profit. They are lying. I spent years researching the margins, the places where rare genetics still thrive in silence and peace. What I found is a system of high-value crops that require less land and provide more freedom. Why do 99% of farmers fail? They are chasing the wrong prizes in a rigged game. They treat the land like a factory, stripping it of the very life that creates true wealth. Always. Number 15. Wasabi. The green gold. Real Wasabi japonica sells for hundreds per pound. Quality is everything. That green paste in stores, mostly horseradish and dye. Authentic wasabi is different and rare, very rare. Authentic wasabi requires pristine flowing water, specific shade, and 2 years to mature. It is slow. Only a handful of commercial farms exist outside Japan. High-end restaurants pay astronomical premiums for it. The unique isothiocyanates create the distinctive nasal clearing heat that synthetic versions merely fake. Experience the power. You need cool running water at 45 to 55 degrees, gravel beds, and 70% shade. Perfect conditions. A 100-square-foot wasabi bed generates $15,000 annually once established. This is concentrated wealth. The barriers to entry are your competitive fortress. Do not overlook the difficulty. It protects your high profits. Number 14. Saffron, the crimson treasure, the world's most expensive spice, a legend of agriculture. Crocus sativus produces threads fetching $5,000 to $10,000 per pound retail. Pure financial magic. Each flower yields exactly 3 red stigmas. It takes 150,000 flowers for 1 pound. Precision work. The value comes from labor intensity. Each stigma is hand-harvested during a brief morning window, no machines allowed. Pharmaceutical research validates saffron's antidepressant properties. Cosmetic companies use it in anti-aging formulas. It is gold. Saffron corms multiply underground. Invest in 1,000 corms, harvest 10,000 in 3 years. Biological compounding. A quarter acre yields $50,000 annually at maturity. This is the ultimate land hack for you. Number 13. Black truffles. The underground diamonds. Selling for $1,500 per pound. Rare treasure. You do not plant truffles. You orchestrate symbiosis with oak and hazelnut roots. A partnership of nature and man. Climate change devastated traditional French production, while global demand accelerates. Scarcity drives the incredible price points. A mature acre produces 50 to 100 pounds annually. That is $40,000 to $150,000. Wealth. Yes, it takes 5 to 7 years, but orchards produce for decades with minimal maintenance, long-term legacy wealth. You are cultivating an underground treasure network. Corporate agriculture cannot rush this process. It takes time and skill. Let's go deeper into the truffle secret. It is a biological alliance that builds value every single day. Nature's miracle. The soil must be perfect. Precision management is the key to unlocking these underground diamonds. Science meets the soil. Number 12. Vanilla, the orchid that beats executive salaries. Selling for $600 per pound. Pure luxury. Each flower must be hand-pollinated within 12 hours. Human hands replicate nature's delicate work. Precision is the demand. Then, 6 months of meticulous curing. Madagascar dominates but faces extreme climate volatility. Markets are very hungry. A single acre produces 300 to 500 pounds. That is up to $200,000 annually. Real profit. The specialty food market, artisan ice cream and craft chocolate, is desperate for your supply. They need your quality. You are manufacturing one of nature's most complex flavors through biological craftsmanship. It is a work of art, always. Scaling vanilla is about mastering the microclimate. You are controlling the weather to produce gold. Climate mastery, high humidity, and constant warmth. The orchid is a demanding queen, but she pays better than any king on earth. Wealth. Number 11. Wild simulated ginseng. Panax ginseng commands up to $1,000 per pound dried. Ancient power. The Asian market treats authentic American ginseng as a medicinal treasure exceeding gold value, a global demand force. The value of ginseng is rooted in history. It has been a global currency for over 5,000 years. Deep roots. Wild simulated cultivation mimics natural conditions, shade and leaf litter, producing wild prices without destruction. Natural wealth. Accessing the high-end Asian markets is where the 300% margin is created. Professional networks matter. Roots require 6 to 10 years, but patience creates price protection. Longer growth accumulates more value and power. A half-acre forest plot yields hundreds of pounds after 8 years, generating massive wealth from wasteland. Think big. Number 10. Dragon fruit. The tropical cash cascade sells for up to $15 per pound. Pink gold. Plants produce for 20 to 30 years once established. A single mature plant yields heavy annual harvests. Persistence pays. Density reaches over 1,000 plants per acre. Gross revenue can exceed $500,000 per acre. Massive. Dragon fruit is perfect for urban scaling. It grows vertically, maximizing every inch of space. City wealth creation. Demand in North America and Europe far outstrips supply. The fruit's appearance drives premium pricing. A visual masterpiece. Turn rooftops and walls into revenue streams. The city is the new frontier for the underground fortune. Look up. Number 9. CBD hemp, the wellness gold rush. Biomass sells for up to $100 per pound. Strong market. The 2018 Farm Bill created legal pathways. The extraction industry is desperate for quality biomass. A new era. Small, dedicated growers mastering organic cultivation command premium contracts over large corporate struggle. Quality is king here. A single acre can yield over $100,000. The wellness market continues exponential growth. Scale with precision. The hemp opportunity goes beyond CBD. The fiber is the future of sustainable luxury textiles. Industrial transformation is coming. Stronger than steel, lighter than plastic. You are growing the raw materials of the next industrial revolution. Engineering nature. Number 8. Elderberry, the immune bank account. Dried berries command up to $25 per pound. Health wealth. Consumer consciousness has permanently shifted toward immune support. Elderberries produce heavy yields from year 3, growing demand always. Elderberry is the immune system of the farm. It protects the soil while providing a massive ROI. A protector. Processing into syrups multiplies revenue 10 times. A mature acre yields up to $45,000. Value added success. The darker the berry, the higher the value. We are selecting for the most potent genetics on Earth. Science works. Number 7. Passion fruit, the tropical niche dominator. Retail prices reaching $25 per pound. Exotic and profitable. A well-managed acre produces up to $100,000 annually. The juice market is desperate for your high-end supply. Passion fruit is nature's most efficient engine. It converts sunlight into high-value pulp at an incredible rate. Perfect design. Design your trellises to capture every photon. Efficiency is the difference between a farm and a fortune. Master the light. Number 6. White mulberry, the Silk Road's forgotten gold. Leaves sell for up to $40 per pound. Ancient history. Leaves contain compounds that inhibit carbohydrate absorption. These trees are hardy perennials, a health legend reborn for you today. Number 5. Turmeric, the golden root revolution. Premium powder sells for up to $60, the color of true profit. The curcumin market is exploding. Organic rhizomes yield up to $144,000 per acre. Join the revolution. Number 4. Goji berry, the red diamond of longevity. Selling for up to $50 per pound. Mountain treasure. Extremely hardy perennials tolerant of poor soils. Domestic organic sources command extreme premiums. People want the best for health. Number 3. Reishi, the mushroom of immortality. Commands up to $250 per pound. Mushroom magic. Western research validates traditional applications. A managed operation produces $300,000 per acre. Science and nature. Number 2. Microgreens. The 7-day fortune. This is the fastest turn agricultural product on earth. Grow wealth in a week. A 10 by 10 area generates $150,000. The restaurant industry is desperate for fresh local greens. Start now. Number 1. Black cardamom, the Himalayan secret. Selling for up to $100 in specialty markets, smoky and rich. Smoky flavor essential in savory cuisines. Cultivation in Himalayan foothills creates natural supply constraints. A unique opportunity for you. The secret is the underground network, a hidden system of biology that does the work for you. Connect with the earth. When you stop fighting nature and start feeding the soil feeds your bank account. Biology is the original bank. You are building an ecosystem, not a farm. A resilient fortress that survives any economic storm. Future-proof your life today. Proof is in the harvest. Small plots producing volume that conventional farms can only dream of. Abundance is the only proof. The yield per square foot of these 15 crops is mathematically superior to any commodity crop. Numbers do not lie. Profit is certain. Look at the transformation. Dead land resurrected into a sanctuary of abundance and profit. This can be your reality very soon. This is the end goal, a life where your job is no longer your master and the earth is your partner. Freedom awaits. The realization is simple. True wealth is not something you earn. It is something you grow. It is life itself. Wealth grows. You have been handed the blueprint for agricultural wealth that 99% of farmers will never discover. Use it wisely and grow. Shift from commodity thinking to specialty market mastery. Competition is on knowledge, not volume. You are now an expert in the field. Every crop can be started on a scale fitting your resources. You don't need hundreds of acres. Start small, think global, and scale smart. Patience to master these plants and courage to serve markets others ignore will lead to your underground fortune. Your journey begins today, right now. The knowledge is yours. The opportunity is real. Subscribe, study, start small, and scale smart. Your underground fortune is waiting for you. Good luck.